Marinetown's newly developed seat latch was originally designed to replace the use of compression latches in under-seating storage compartments. It completely eliminates the need to remove seat cushions in order to gain access to your storage areas, which equates to simple, one-handed operation, especially when used in conjunction with gas shocks on heavier hatches. Ideal applications include seat hatches, sink lids, countertop lids, tackle station lids, live bait well lids, and more. Opposite to what's currently available on the market, the seat latch is manufactured from 3/16 stainless steel and boasts an ultra-low-profile appearance. It's available in non-locking or locking for privacy, with either a nylon or a stainless steel button. Every latch is packaged with 2 installation pins for proper alignment of the strike, which also incorporates slots for final adjustment.